Hi, I'm Lynette and welcome. I'm going to jump right in today. I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumour 5 and I'm going to blend that out from my eyebrow all the way down to the lash line. And now I'm taking NYX Blame It On Midnight eyeshadow single and I'm going to set that base from the brow to the crease. I'm going to leave the lid tacky. And this is going to provide a smooth base on which I can blend the shadows that I'm going to place in the crease and high above the crease. Today I'm using the Bperfect Carnival Extra Large palette in collaboration with Stacey and I'm taking the shade Nuke and I'm going to tap that into the crease and then I'm going to go in and blend using back and forth windshield wiper motions and circular motions in the inner corner and the outer V area. I am taking this shade all the way across the crease today, so we're going from the outer V to the inner corner right there. And I'm just going to blend that. And I went back into the palette maybe one more time to build up this color. As you can see, it's fairly pigmented on the first go around. Going back into the palette and I'm taking Cargo, and this is a really deep dark teal metallic shade, and I'm going to place that all the way across my lid, and I'm starting off with this shade Dry, and as you can see it's really nicely pigmented and shimmery dry, but I decided I wanted to go in and wet my brush and do a second layer on top to make it a little more metallic, and that's exactly what happened. It looks a little more like liquid metal now. Wanted to stand out and pop just a little bit more. Then going back in with that first shade and I'm blending out the edges of that metallic eyeshadow. Blending is everything. Now I'm going in with Showboat on a smaller blending brush, and this is a lighter shade, and I'm going to use it to blend out the edges of my creased shade. And now I'm going to take a lighter shade, why though? And I'm going to place that, and that's an even smaller blending brush. I'm going to place that over the last shade because I ran out of real estate here. I don't have that much eye space to work with, so going back in with the crease shade and blending because I want to make sure I seamlessly blend all of these shadows together. I like having that touch of light teal there with the dark teal. Gives this look a little more dimension, and then going back in with Blame It On Midnight to serve as my underbrow highlight and to blend out the edges of that light shade we just put high in the crease. And then I'm going to take a wipe and just clean up my under eye. And now I'm going to take the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the color Mainline, which was perfect. It's this beautiful dark teal shade, and I'm going to place that in the waterline. And then I'm going to go back in with the original crease shade, and I'm going to blend that onto my lower lash line. I usually use a much smaller brush, but this one worked out really nicely. I'm going to bring this about 3/4 of the way across the lower lash line. I'm going to leave the little inner corner piece there blank because I'm going to go back in with Why Though, that light matte teal shade, and I'm going to place that in the inner corner. Give me a little brightness here and brighten this look up just a tad. And this is the final look. I used a black liner to line just close to my lash line, and these are the Boudoir minis from House of Lashes. If you liked this video, then please give it a like and consider subscribing because I do makeup tutorials, hauls, swatches, and reviews here every Saturday. I want to thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you again next week. Until then, bye-bye.